Okay, so for this installation, we will use all of these items. We're gonna have a latch to fit inside the lock. We have a spindle to go inside that latch. We have two handles, one for each side. We have the cylinder to open and close the door. We have the cylinder covers to make it nice and neat. All right, the first thing you need to understand is where that door is closing to what direction. This latch, for example, for this example, since that door goes that way, this latch is opposite. We need to reverse this latch. In the back here, we have a Phillips screw. It's very easy to access. We're just gonna do that. Let it slide all the way through. Once it's through, flip it, put it back and close it. All right, so that's step one. Step two, you can see everything is prepped. Hole for the latch, handles, cylinder. We're going to put the lock inside. Before you tighten the screws, first thing you want to do is make sure the cylinder is in the right spot. To do that, you got to use your key, because you see this little lever here, that's not gonna allow you to slide it in. So with your key, you got to align it as such, and then slowly put it in through the lock. All right, once that's in, and as you can tell, you got to guide it until it's on the other side, and use your key to make sure that you pass that area. And now you got to make sure there that you're in the right spot. Once you're in the right spot, we have the set screw. That set screw holds the cylinder in place so it doesn't move forward and backwards. All right, we're going to put it in and put it nice and tight. Now once that was done, we can lock our latch in place. We can use little self-tapping screws as such. We're going to try and center it as much as possible. Put the screw nice and tight. Same on the top. Try to center it as much as possible. Close, done. Next, spindle, side to side through the center. Once it's in, we're going to use our levers. Our levers are very simple to install. They will slide out. If it's stuck like this one, that's because of paint. All you got to do, take it to a solid place like a piece of wood or a carpet like this. Give it a couple taps, and then it opens up very easily. Right, same idea. Mount it on top of the spindle, and you can use self-tappers here as well. 1, 2, and that's it. This one is in as well. Let's do the other side quickly. Same idea. If it's glued together, give it a couple taps, and this one's a little stubborn, but here we go. Put it where it belongs, and put in a couple of self-tappers. Same idea. Once that's done, onto this side, we're putting our cylinder guards. Cylinder guards go on top of the cylinder. You see sometimes there's a little slack for us to use to put in the cylinder. These will make it all nice and clean and neat. For those, I like to use a little drill to do a pilot hole, center it nicely. Put in a pilot hole on the top, pilot hole on the bottom, and put your black screws that came with the cylinder guards right where they belong. 1, 2. You will then need to repeat this process in the other side, exactly the same. But once that's done, that installation is complete. Lock is in, it works nicely. Cylinder is in, it works nicely. You can lock your deadbolt with one turn. You can open with one turn and open your latch again with another turn. All right, that's about it. Here's a lock installation. tutorial for you. For Mulholland Security, thank you very much.